Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create an inverted bar effect in Alight Motion. First, let's create a new project. Add your footage. Then, duplicate the layer and disable the lower one. Next, apply the wipe effect to the top layer. Setting the start position to 10% and the end position to 90%. Change the angle to 90. Now re-enable the lower layer and adjust the horizontal and vertical flip as you prefer. You can also add animation. Just adjust the start and an angle. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.